make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So today I'm coming at you with a LUSH video, and unfortunately I'm going to be sharing with you all the things which I believe to be being discontinued from LUSH very, very soon. Now, I say believed to be discontinued because when I went on Instagram and saw this photo, it says we're looking at our discons, and it's got a photo of all the things which I'm going to assume are being discontinued by LUSH. And honestly, a little bit fuming. Some of my favourites are in there, but I thought I'd share with you what's in the photo, kind of let's discuss it, because a lot of these things I am obsessed with, and I think you guys are going to be a little bit savage as well. So I thought we could go through it together, have a little discussion. I've got myself an iced coffee because I just feel like I'm going to need it throughout this video. So there is no list online, there's no official discon list, so I'm looking at the photo on my phone and I'm just going to kind of like zoom in on it and sort of see what I can spot. I'm going to sort of go from the left side of the photo over and just spot what I can. So the first thing I can see is Movis facial soap, which I get why they're discontinuing it. It's kind of like an average product. I didn't love it, I didn't hate it, it was just kind of there, so that's fine. I believe there's also another soap on the bottom. I don't know what that is. It kind of looks like sandstone maybe, or I'm not really sure, but yeah, if you guys know what any of these products are that I can't see, please comment them down below because I'm sure we're all going to be absolutely fuming together. But behind that you've got Aquamarina, which I'm really surprised about. I'm not mad about it because I didn't like Aquamarina at all, but very surprised, very surprised. Then moving across to the right side of Aquamarina, you've got two tubs on top of each other. Now you can't really see what's on the top there, but I believe underneath is ocean salt, which is madness to me because ocean salt was such a popular product that I think that they're going to lose out with that one. Then moving across again to the right, there's 9 to 5 cleansing lotion. I believe you've also got all of the foot powders and maybe even no drought dry shampoo kind of in front of that one. Next to that I think you've got the foot like soak thing, which to be honest with you, when I worked there we never sold it, so not mad about that one either. However, in front of that you've got Marilyn and Curly Whirly, which are two of my all-time favourite products from LUSH. I probably haven't talked about them for a really long time, and that is simply because I'm just trying to use up all my LUSH stuff, like I'm not really repurchasing anything. But Curly Whirly and Marilyn were two of my favourite products when I was at uni, and I used them for 3 years. Like, they were so good. So really annoyed about those, to be honest. Next to that you've got hair custard, which actually surprises me because they only reformulated that and put it in a bottle maybe within the last year, so I don't really know why they've done that. It kind of baffles me when they make things like brand new and then they discontinue them straight away. I don't really understand how that works, but anyway. In front of hair custard you've got I Love Juicy and I believe Fairly Traded Honey shampoos as well, which again have been there for years, like such a long time. The only reason I think they're getting rid of those is maybe they're releasing something similar but they're kind of reformulating it, rebranding it, and they're going to kind of bring out like a whole new hair range maybe, I don't know. Kind of a shame though. And then I think you've got the Happy Joy conditioner next to that, on the right hand side there, and that was, to be honest with you, again, that conditioner didn't do it for me. It was not moisturising, it was more of a hair perfume, so it made your hair smell amazing, but my hair just didn't really appreciate it, so I'm not going to really miss that one, to be honest with you. Behind all of those you've got a lot of fun. From what I can see you've got yellow, red, orange, green, gold, pink, blue and purple, so you've got kind of all of them there. I don't know whether that means they're going to be getting rid of a load of fun or they're going to be bringing it out sort of in a different way, I don't know. And also you've got all the hot oil treatments as well behind there, so they're all going to be going as well. Next up, moving on, you've got Honey I Wash the Kids shower gel, which smells like honey and it's so moisturising. Kind of annoying they're getting rid of it because they did bring it out after they got rid of It's Raining Men, which is the exact same thing pretty much, so I don't really know why they've done that. Then you've got Scrub, which is the body scrubber that's black and it smells like the Comforter, and I love that product so much, so really annoyed that they've done that. And last but not least, from what I can gather from this photo, the item that kind of sparked my inspiration for this video, they are getting rid of Plum Rain. Now Plum Rain is my favourite shower gel ever. I I can't get my words out. I'm so angry and upset and annoyed. Why are they doing this to me? I give up. So that's it. That is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get really frustrated and annoyed about Plum Rain. I feel like I filmed this video mainly just to let you guys know what's been going on behind the scenes, but also I feel like you guys can rage with me in the comments. So leave me a comment down below of the products you're most annoyed about getting discontinued. There wasn't much in there, so this video isn't overly long, and I do apologise, but I just needed to get out my frustration and my anger when it comes to Plum Rain. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to hit 9,000 subscribers soon. It would mean the world, and I am back doing 2 videos a week, so I hope you guys are happy with that. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and all that kind of stuff, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.